How to install and use. Adjusting the screen angle. Insert the holder bar into the instrument slot. Handle bracket alignment insertion into bracket bar. Place the handle first on the stand. Connect the corresponding handles according to the label ABCD. Align the handle connector with the instrument connection hole. Insert it and turn it to tighten it. Arrow pointing to locked icon when tightened. Attach the ABCD handles to the instrument in turn. Do not unplug the handle connector too often. Press down on the metal clasp of the power cord socket. Aim and thrust. Turn on the power switch. Tap the power on and off buttons on the front of the instrument. Select language. Sound switch. Handle calibration. 3 frequencies. You need to tap Start to adjust the energy. Time and energy reset after tapping pause. When operating, you can gray out the handle icon points that you do not need to use. The handle does not work after tapping the gray color. Tap the bottom right corner of the icon. sequentially adjusts the magnetic vibration energy of the handle to which it is applied. From 0–100, start with a low energy level and slowly increase to 50–80 of the experience's maximum energy tolerance. Avoid the ribs. Instrument shutdown. Remove the A handle. The socket of the seat plugs into the connector of the A handle. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Selection mode. Select gender, age, hip. Press the B, C, and D handle points to the grayed out. Adjust the energy of the A handle and start at a low energy level to slowly adapt to the